Hi, here's how you can have your very own white label ad tool as a standalone product hosted on your own custom domain. So your clients can simply log into your domain and access your tool without the need for go ahead level or anything else. Users can just go to your custom domain and there's going to be a login screen. They will put their credentials, their email, and their password. And that's it. They can use your AI ad tool. So how this works is that the domain that we're going to be using will be your own domain, and we're going to add a subdomain to it so that it's not, so it doesn't take over your main landing page. So the steps are, you're going to your clients tab, you're going to click on create, manage, and invite, select custom domain, click here, and then we enter the domain. So here we're going to add the subdomain first, will be launch.mysite.com. Then we're going to click next. This is the information that we need to set up in our DNS provider so that it can verify that we own this domain. And this is really important to use because we are going to use this value for the CNAME. So for this example right here, we're going to use cPanel, but it will depend what provider you have. So some use Squarespace, for example, and the process is pretty much the same in every provider. But what we're going to do is for this domain that I have here, I'm going to add the CNAME record with the subdomain launch. And then here in this value, I'm going to add secure.aiadvertservice.com. Then I save it. And that's it. It's successfully added. Now that the custom record is saved, after we added the CNAME to our domain provider, this works like this with any provider. This can take up to like 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes a couple of hours. You just try clicking the link to see if it's live. Let's see if we click next. See that it says it will be live after DNS configuration is activated. This may take up 24 hours. And then confirm. Let's see. Published successfully. So now our custom domain is published, it's live, it's working. You can copy this link and share it to your customers. But first, if you want, you can customize a little bit your sign up and login page. So if you click here in customize and you scroll down to business details, you'll be able to upload your logo, for example. So let's just select this one. I can upload a login screen image. Let's use this one. Oh, he's cute. And then you can enter your product name. This, you can put it like AI ads or whatever your business name is, and save change. Once changes are saved, you can come here, copy the link. This is the invitation link that your clients are going to see, and you will see your sign up page. So here your customers will be able to write their business name, their website, create their credentials with their email, their password, and select a business type. This is really useful if you are already creating templates and you can share them automatically with your clients that select each business type. So for example, if you create a template for a chiropractor and then you have a new client that is a chiropractor, they create their account and they'll automatically see the templates that you already shared with them. So let's take a look at what happens here. So I'm going to create a new business name and I click on create account. So right now, this is what your clients are going to see whenever they sign up through your custom domain. That's it. they created a new workspace and they will be prompted through the onboarding process where they can see what the homepage is about, what the advertise is about, and all our platform. And as soon as they create their account, you're going to see them right here as a workspace. So if you want to see what they're doing, if you want to have like this cut mode with them, you could just click switch, and you'll be able to see what type of campaigns they are running and what type of use they are doing to the platform. So if we switch back to your own workspace, you're going to see that you can customize some parts of it. As we saw before, you can edit the business details. You can select what icons are going to show for each platform. You can select what platforms your clients are going to see by default. So if you don't want all your clients to see all the platforms by default, you can just switch on and off the ones that you want and you don't want them to see. And you can also hide some of the parts of the platform. Also, you can enable or disable the social posting tool that it's really, really interesting and I really encourage you to try. Another option that you can use for the custom domain is to connect your Stripe account, and you can even charge your customers for using the platform. So as soon as they sign up, they would see a pricing page and they'll be able to select one of your custom pricings. But this, we can cover it in another video. So thank you for joining. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, reach out to getsupport@play.app.